Shalom, all my brother and sister in Christ. Alright? Okay, today, the first day, I'm not sure how many days already. I'm out from jail the YouTube, okay? You know, just strict censorship, unfortunately. So, if you would like to listen or know a lot of stuff going on, okay, especially with this man-made pestilence and wicked prune juice, you can visit my BitChute channel, yeah. If you visit my front channel in this YouTube, okay, they have the description or the link to visit my BitChute channel and Brighteon. You can see that, but in this YouTube channel, I'll just to this explain it about the end time prophecy, biblical Bible study, and especially to warn the people for the rapture time, okay, alert or high rapture alert. So this time, yeah, I'm talking about the planet alignment and planet conjunction, and also whatever Bible says, okay, these end times sign God show us in the moons, in the stars, and in the sky. I mean, the moon, stars, and the sun. All right, the star itself is usually the planets, yeah, many planets, and also the other wherever in the galaxy, yeah. All right. Before I explain you, yeah, about this, whatever Bible says, yeah, especially in Acts 2, before I explain you, yeah, or what I would like to tell you about this high rapture alert, okay, with the planet conjunction and planet alignments, yeah. Okay, according to Acts chapter 2, verse 17 to 20, okay, it says, and it shall come to pass in the last days, said God, I will pour out of my spirit upon all the flesh. Your sons and your daughters shall prophesy, and your young men shall see visions, and your old men shall dreams and dreams, yeah. All right. So, and on my servants and on my handmaidens I will pour out in those days of my spirit, and they shall prophesy. And I will shew wonders in heaven above, and signs in the earth beneath, blood and fire, and vapor of smoke. The sun shall be turned into darkness, and the moon into blood, before the great notable day of the Lord, or 7 years tribulation. Okay, so it's very clear. God showed that in the last day. Many end times dreams and visions. Okay, I show you already. The many end times and dreams and vision, yeah, related with the time frame for the rapture and whatever the end times, 7 years tribulation, what God already revealed it to us. This is what I see, yeah. And also what the Bible says. And it's according to Acts chapter 2, yeah, verse 17 to 20. Also God show us, okay, the sign in heaven. All right, like sun turn into darkness, like solar eclipse, and what else? The moon into the blood, yeah, like whatever you call blood moon, super blood moon, yeah. Okay, lunar eclipse before the great and notable day of the Lord. This is very clear. Bible says that, and it says also in Luke 21, verse 25 to 28. And there shall be signs in the suns and in the moons and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations, with perplexity, the sea and the waves roarings. Men's hearts falling, all right? Men's heart falling dumb for fear, and for looking after those which are coming on the earth. For the powers of heaven shall be shaken, and then shall they see the Son of Man coming in the cloud with power and great glory. And when these things begin to come to pass, and then look up and lift up your heads, for your redemption draws near. Okay, this is talking about this chapter, Luke 21. The sun in the sun, okay, in the moon, in the stars, and upon the earth, distress of nation. But wherever the earth, distress, okay, like the bird pangs, and also talking about the rumors of war. You can read it also in Matthew 24, the sign of the end times, when Jesus coming to rapture his bride, and after that 7 years tribulation. After that, second coming. Alright. So this is the sun in the sky, okay, in the sun, in the moon, in the stars. Alright. So, okay, I would like to tell you this information related with end times dreams and visions, and the sun in the signs in the sky, in the moon and the star and the sun. Alright. The rapture high was 2022. But the end of this year, according to many end times dreams and vision. Okay, Christmas and Hanukkah rapture dreams and visions. Hanukkah this year, I explained you already, in my other video. That this is the other video, Maybe you can see also later. Alright. The rapture high was 2022, Christmas and Hanukkah rapture dreams and vision. This year the Hanukkah feast between December 18 to December 26. Hanukkah is not the same date in the Gregorian calendar, so not every year in the same week with Christmas December 25th. So not always the same with Christmas. But this year, almost kind of in the same time or in the same season, same week. Hanukkah lasts for 8 days, from December 18 to December 26, while Christmas only 1 day, December 25th. That, according to many end times dreams and visions, show that the message from God, the warning from God that tells that Christmas season, Christmas rapture, and also Hanukkah rapture. Okay, this is all together. That's why I give the point up to you about this. Okay, planetary alignment, 7 planets. Okay, like this picture. Many rapture dreams and visions. Rare planetary alignment. This year, in June 2022, and the best view, June 24th, 2022. I'm making this video on June 22nd, so 2 more days. June 22nd, we can see also. Alright, the good view for them. The alignment of the Mars, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Mars, including the small planets too, like I show you in this on this picture, Uranus and Neptune, and also including the moon. So all together 7 planets, okay? Mars, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Mars, okay, that 5, including the small planets, Uranus and Neptune, okay? There are 7 planets, including the moon. So this 7 is the number of God's judgment. You see, over the number 7, over in the book of Revelation, all right? And God's perfection number 7 also. His number is 777. And you can tell also in the Old Testament, God created the the world, altogether 6 days, but on the 7 days, his rest days. The 7. God's, Daniel 70 weeks prophecy, 70 weeks of Daniel prophecy, times 7, again, 490 years altogether, according to Daniel, verse 24 to 27. Okay, so that's 7, very important. I will show you another significant with the number 7. Alright, and now the next dream. 2 moons, rapture, dreams, and visions. Many people have the dream about 2 moons. Alright, so what's all about? But this is what I see. 2 blood supermoon or total lunar eclipses in 2022. Happened in 2022, yeah. More significant even compare next year, 2023 and 2024. There are flower super blood moon on May 15 to May 16, 2022. Okay, one flower super blood moon, or the one already passed, May 15 to May 16, 2022. That last month. And the next one, the total lunar eclipse or the blood moon. Alright, on November 7 until November 8, 2022. Another one. After the one in May 15 to May 16, 6 months later, on November 7 to November 8, 2022. This is happening here this year. I don't think next year. I'm not sure 2024. I have to check again. The second one is just right on the U.S. midterm election. Okay, the second one. Midterm election in the U.S. November 8. Alright? This is very significant what will happen in America. And also, in November, this could be when this one world government that created from the New World Order, that they discuss themselves with the name using that World Health Organization for the peace, this man-made pestilence, yeah, that will take an effect in November too, because that meeting last time on May, but I think several days, May 22nd until May 26, I'm pretty sure. Okay, that between that World Economic Forum and the other one, United Nations, and with World Health Organization, wherever these countries, 193 countries altogether, will surrender their sovereignty, their power to World Health Organization or WHO. Wherever WHO decision, they have to obey all these 193 countries, except 2 countries, who do not including. Because why? Because these 2 countries, already part of this new world order anyway. They're from the same people, especially the one in Vatican, the one not including that under the sovereignties with the World Health Organization, and the other one Palestine. Okay, the other one Palestine. You know, Palestine is the enemy of Israel, but behind that, who have Palestine, similar like Israel, have the enemy with, especially with Iran or something like that, So, and also have conflict also with Syria, even though Syria not the big threat compare Iran, and also Palestine not big threat, but the problem is all together. So Palestine, not including. So only 193 countries, okay, who will be under that WHO in November, take an effect the same time with US midterm election. That's why this total lunar eclipse in November also significant. That's just 6 months after the first one. That's what it's all about. So we have to pay attention what we see in the what God tell us in the sign in the sky. All right, in the moon, in the sun, and in the stars. This is we have to pay attention. And also, and in the 2025 half year before the mid-great tribulation, or by the time abomination of desolation, if the rapture of the church takes place this year, by the end of this year. So, in the year 2025, okay, not quite mid-great tribulation yet, because altogether 7 years tribulation, and mid-great tribulation 3.5 years later. So it's just saying rapture happen take place by the end of this year in December 2022. 3 years later in 2025. 3.5 years later in the mid of 2026. So 2025, by the end 2025, half year before the mid-great tribulation, or by the time abomination, desolation with the Antichrist in Revelation 13. Okay, that abomination of desolation by the mid of, or sometime in the year 2026. Could be later, because I explained you already that the 7 years tribulation not right away happened after the rapture of the church, according to Daniel 9 verse 24 to 27, because what we see in Daniel chapter 12, it says whatever the date, I mean it's the years, because God judgment and counting also one day equally years, even though they say the years in the Bible, including could be have the significant and the biblical interpretation. Two things, exactly the days and the year. Sometimes happen like that too. Okay, we can interpret it like that. So if we see that the number, the year in the Daniel chapter 12, they're related with the nation of Israel. Okay, and the Dome of the Rock was built in the Dome of the Rock, because the area where the first temple and second temple were built. All right, that's the same area in Jerusalem. So that's why we counting that from that the Dome of the Rock was built, okay, and finished in the year 688 AD. The Dome of the Rock is only the kind of like Syrian temple for Muslim temple. It's not quite like mosque, just kind of like the area there. The mosque itself, Al-Qasa or something like that, and they're building the Dome of the Rock. All right, that's why the Bible calls still abomination of desolation there, because who worship there are Muslim, Islam. They worship false god Allah. Okay, this is the Dome of the Rock with the roof golden color in Jerusalem. Not just golden color, marigold. Yeah. So was built in 688 AD. If we're adding that, according to Daniel 12, I do not prepare what it says it exactly in Daniel 12. I just explain you briefly here. Yeah. It says with the days 1260 days, so which is equally 1260 years. All right, if you're adding that 688 AD plus 1260 years equally 1948 exactly when Israel become a nation again. 1948 exactly, from 688 AD the Dome of the Rock was built, plus 1260 years equally the year is 1948 when Israel become a nation again. And if we added then 688 AD, okay, the Dome of the Rock was built, and plus 1,290 years, equally 1978. What 1978? Or 30 years later after Israel became a nation again. It's about the peace deal, yeah. I think from Camp David, America involved also, something like that, yeah. Okay, that peace deal. I do not do the research. What's all about that peace deal? Maybe I can check, yeah, while I'm just talking here. Okay, I use different device to talk this, yeah. Peace deal 1978. What's all about? Okay, peace agreement. The Camp David Accord were a pair of political agreements signed by Egyptian President and Anwar Sadat. Okay, between Egypt and Israel, peace treaty. I think. Okay, just Egypt and Israel. I think Israel have that too. Camp David's Accord, they say. Something like that. So, and another one, okay, the another 1,335 days or 1,335 years. Okay, that is about from 688 AD when the first temple was built. I mean, not first temple, sorry. The Dome of the Rock was built 688 AD plus 1,335 years, equally 2023. The year 2023. Yeah, I do not prepare here, yeah, because to prove it, yeah, the Bible says about the, you know, maybe if I can find it fast enough, I can read it for you, yeah. 1 year, 1 day, equally 1 year for God's judgment, yeah. God's judgment. Okay, if I can find it, let me Google it. Okay, here, yeah. Israel will wander 40 years in Canaan, wilderness Canaan. 1 year for every day spent in Canaan. So this is not the one I'm looking at. I know I had the Bible version before. I told you already. But, okay, in the book Numbers, I remember the book Number and the other is Ezekiel or Yesaya. Something like that. Explain it about God's judgment, yeah. 1 day equally 1 year. Okay. Yeah, it says here, okay, let me make fast. Daniel 9 verse 24 to 27. Ezekiel, that's the same thing like I explained already about this Daniel 70 weeks Daniel prophecy in Daniel 9 verse 24 to 27. And Ezekiel 4 verse 4 to 7. Let me check the one Ezekiel 4. Okay, now the book of Number I mentioned also. Ezekiel 4 to 4 to 7, yeah. Let me see if I can find it. I hope I can find it soon, yeah, so I can read it for you. Alright. This is not quite the same. This is a different version, yeah. Have to check again to find it, yeah. I wish I am prepared for this, yeah. This is said, okay, numbers of the day shall you pawn. Okay, this is not the one I'm looking. Maybe I just put the information, yeah, in my description box, information on this video, okay. That God's day, yeah, to judge, yeah. 1 day is equally 1 year. So this is what I see. 2023, yeah, when the time Antichrist will make the peace deal, according to Daniel 9 verse 24 to 27. When the time he make the peace deal with many, Okay, then when the 7 years tribulation will begin. That's why I'm telling you that after the rapture of the church, it's not right away 7 years tribulation. 7 years tribulation will start when the time the Antichrist sign it that peace deal or make the peace deal with many. That for 7 days according to Daniel 9. Or a week. So a week, 7 days equally for 7 years. Alright? This for the judgment, 1 day equally 1 year. That what I see. Okay? So by the time, I mean in the day, in the year 2023 is the time 7 years tribulation will begin and the Antichrist will sign it the peace treaty. That the same time when 7 years tribulation will start. From I explained you earlier, yeah, from the year when the Dome of the Rock was built, 688 AD, plus according to the years, 1,335 years, according to Daniel 12, equally the year 2023. Alright, so that when then 7 years tribulation will take place, or to start. That when the rapture of the church take place this year, if this year, in December this year, after that, the next day or just the same day, not the 7 years tribulation yet, not yet. Not until the Antichrist signed that peace treaty, according to Daniel 9, verse 24 to 27. Alright? Then another dreams and vision and prove it with whatever happened in the sky, yeah? The sun in the sky, or in the second heaven, yeah? The second heaven, the third heaven in the where God and saved soul and the angels, yeah, reside or live. But the first heaven is in the sky, in the earth itself. The second heaven, wherever that the moon, the sun, and the stars, galaxy there, and the second heaven. So okay. What next? Yeah, I explained you earlier already about these 2 blood moons. Will happen this year. That May, I mean already happened one in May and the next one in November. Just right in with the midterm election in the United States. Yeah, just the same date, exactly the same date. I think it's very significant. See, this is not something coincident. All right. And I also mentioned in 2025, okay, half year before the mid-great tribulation. Okay, there another super blood moon in 2025, half year before abomination of desolation or mid-great tribulation. Super blood moon on March 13 to March 14 in 2025. Another super blood moon, September 7 to September 8. 2025. Okay, so that's why God tell us, yeah, in many Christian dreams and vision about 2 moons. But many of them have the dream, yeah, 2 moons still look like a blood moon or super blood moon. Yeah. But the thing is, all these 2 super blood moons in that year, this year and 2025. Okay. 2 super blood moon in different time, different months, in the same year. In fact, more 2 blood moons or lunar eclipse in the year 2029. Okay, more 2 super blood moon or lunar eclipse in the year 2025 or 7 years later. After the one in 2022. Alright, so another 2 super blood moon in 2029. At first in the year 2022, May and November, and 2025 just half year before. Just saying, if the rapture this year, so the abomination of desolation or the mid-great tribulation, yeah, sometime in the year 2026, something like that. And several months or half year before Big Great Tribulation, another super blood moon in 2025. Okay, the month of March and September. And the next one in the year 2029, another blood moon, super blood moon. Just exactly 7 years later, after the one in the year 2022. All right. So the one in 2029 is when? All right. The one in 2029. Now let me see. On June 25th to June 26, 2029. Another one, December 20th to December 21st, 2029. Okay. So June 25th to June 26th, 2029, and another one, December 20th to December 21st, 2029. All right, that's 7 years later, after in the year 2022. The one in May and November. Is that the second coming? Who knows? Even though I explained you earlier, the 7 years tribulation will begin in the year 2023, according to Daniel 12. All right, and whatever it says in Daniel 9, verse 24 and 27, when the time the Antichrist will sign the peace deal with many, according to Daniel 9, verse 24 to 27. Okay, these two blood moons in the year 2022, in the year 2025, and in the year 2029. Is that the second coming? Then from the rapture of the church, 7 years. But if the 7 years tribulation will begin sometime in the year 2023, not quite 7 years, could be because keep in mind, in the Bible said in Matthew 24, okay, because to disaster, to horrify, like a hell breaking loose breaking loose during 7 years tribulation. So 7 years tribulation must be cut shorter by God. It's possibility also second coming in the year 2029. But if you see, all right, could be also the year 2030, because I explained you already in my other video. Jesus Christ, first time he started his ministry in the year 26 AD. We counting from the time General, what his name? Tiberius, something like that, his name, He started when he's reigned, okay, judging that. So he make his start his ministry, Jesus Christ in the year 26 AD. So his ministry lasts for 3.5 years before he was crucified. So from the year 26 AD bring up to the year 2030, when he was crucified and died on the cross. So 30 AD, not 2030, sorry. So from 26 AD, 3.5 years later, 30 AD. All right. When Jesus started his ministry, he was 30 years old. He was born on around 5 BC. If we bring up, from 5 BC to 26 AD, he's about 30 years old. Keep in mind, the transition from BC to AD, do not count it, from the last year on the BC to AD. So I have to subtract minus 1 year. Okay, so 5 BC instead of 5 years minus 4 is equally 4 years. 4 years at 26 AD, 30 years old. So Jesus Christ was 30 years old when he started his ministry on 26 AD. He died on the cross on 30 AD. So its dispensation lasts 2,000 years. So 2,000 years at the 30 AD when he died on the cross, 2030. So bring up his second coming in the year 2030. This is, we can tell also what is explained in Daniel Daniel chapter 9, verse 24 to 27. It's explained that about the Messiah was cut off. And he was because Jesus Christ was crucified. And then continue on by the Antichrist. Okay, something like that. So this is one I see from the 2000 years for dispensation, because from Adam to Abraham last 2000 years. Okay, from Abraham to Jesus Christ another 2000 years, and from Jesus Christ died on the cross, and then the church is built, or Christian believe started born after Jesus Christ died on the cross, and the church it lasts for another 2000 years. All right, until today, until by the time 7 years tribulation is ended, something like that. I think that the church age period will end by the rapture of the church. All right, this is just a prediction from whatever we understand from the Bible and many end times dreams and vision. So the 30 AD plus 2000 years equally 2030 when Jesus' second coming. Either one between 2029 and the year 2030. Jesus' second coming for the rapture time. For the second coming time frames. Because if we understand that also the two super blood moon happen also 2 times, 2 super blood moon in different time, in different months in the same year 2029. All right, the month of June and the month of December. All right, so 2 super blood moon in the year 2022, in the year 2025, and the year 2029. And the last, the prophetic dreams, total solar eclipse right across America. The world is already in 7 years tribulation. The total solar eclipse right across America on April 8, 2024, which is almost 7 years earlier. That total solar eclipse right across America on August 21st, 2017, when both these total solar eclipses together, they mark letter X. That means America is no longer United States of America. It will get split and destroyed by the year 2024. This is what I see. This is God's judgment to America. There are dreams and vision I mentioned about this year, total solar eclipse in the year 2024. You do not say the dreams or vision mentioned in the year. I only say particular specific total solar eclipse in America. This is already the time during 7 years tribulation. Something like that, their dreams. This time, this time frames is more convincing than it has ever been before in history. The 4 blood moons or the lunar tetrads in the year 2014 and the year 2015. Both lunar eclipse. Alright. Let me see again what it says there. Okay, about this total solar eclipse I explained you already, and the other one, the 4 blood moons or lunar tetrads in the year 2014 and 2015. Both lunar tetrads in each year happen on Passover and Sukkot or Feast of Tabernacles. Okay, in the year 2014 and 2015. 4 blood moons. Each super blood moon happened. In the first one, on Passover, and the second one on Sukkot in the year 2014. And then in the year 2015 happened the same thing on Passover and also on the Sukkot. In the past, that happened also like that. 4 lunar tetrads, 4 blood moons or lunar tetrads have connection when the time Israel. I do not bring up about the year. Yeah. I think 1966, 1967, one of those. When the time Israel won the 6 Days War, in the either the year 1947, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Something like that. If you visit the video, some people as end-time watchman on the wall, they make the video more detail about that. Yeah, the history about the about the what you call it? The total lunar eclipse for blood moons, or lunar tetrads in the year 2014 and 15. This, but in the past happened also before related with nation Israel. When he was the nation Israel born, become a nation again, 1947, and the other 1967 or 1966. I have to check again. Something like that. 1947 and 1948 in the past. Therefore, blood moon or lunar tetrads, and the other one 1967 and 1968, and the last one 2014 and 2015. All right, and then 7 years later. Okay, and in 2014 there are 2 cows. Okay, specific cows were born in September. Both born in America. Yeah. One cow's milk cow or Holstein cows with the color black and white with mark number 7 on his head, and the other one red cow or heifer, we call it. The red cow, the milk cow or Holstein cow with black and white color representing the the abundant year or 7 years before 7 years tribulation. All right, and the red one, the red heifer cow with number 7 on the head, on the forehead, that representing the famine year or 7 years tribulation. That cows born in 2014 mark it the same year when that 4 blood moon started in the year 2014. All right, and 7 years later, the last one from that blood moon, 4 blood moon on lunar tetrads in 2015, plus 7 years in the year 2022. All right, and 7 years later, or 7 years later is the Jubilee year, or after 7 years for the next sabbatical year, it is Jubilee year from the year 2021 to 2022. All right. So this is very significant. For the last, I would like to show you that other than the planetary alignment, this month, okay, in June, and the high peak, the best view on June 24th, which is just only a few days after today, June 22nd. All right, another planet conjunction. This is a planet alignment, planetary alignment, like straight line. All these 7 planets, but the only 2 planet conjunction close together in the past can bring up look like a Bethlehem star. All right, like this one. Hold on, look like a let me see if I can find the picture of that. Bethlehem stars. This one, Okay, sorry about that. So I kind of mess up a little bit. I'm making this video, but I would like to show you this video so people know the time high rapture alert for this year. Okay, this one. All right, these 2 planets Jupiter and Venus. This is 7 years ago. Happened on June 30th, 2015. Is 7 years warning. Alright, you see? It's about 7 years warning. I'd like to show you this video from Steve Fletcher. Okay, here we go. Venus and Jupiter. Okay, conjunction. Okay, to form a star of Bethlehem. Alright, this conjunction happened was 2000 years ago also, the time the birth of Christ, and then happened again in the year 2015. The first one 2000 years ago, the sign for the birth of Christ, yeah, and the last one June 30th in the year 2015. That they have 7 years warning. Okay, so by this June 30th, this month, it shows that 7 years. It does not mean the rapture of the church will take place on June 30th. It's meaning the time frame for this year and the year 2022. Alright. So other than that, yeah, I would like to show you about this rainbow. If you understand it, you know the Bible well, yeah. God's throne look like a rainbow. You read it. I think somewhere in the Revelation 4 also mention. No, Revelation 5. God's throne like a rainbow. Another Bible verse too. I think in Ezekiel too, the book of Ezekiel. I think mention the same thing. Similar like what it says in the book of Revelation about the rainbows on the God's thrones. God's throne, yeah. So, you know, when I'm watering the yard, yeah, I saw the rainbow, and just the water sprinkle in the when I spraying, kind of interesting. I would like to show you for the short time. And one of the video yeah, in my YouTube channel, I saw the bright light through the windows, and the dream about the rainbow. Yeah. So you can watch that video if you're interested to see that. All right. So keep looking up. Our redemption draws near. You see, very interesting, right? This it show, yeah, God's judgment in the past during Noah's days, and then he give the symbol, the rainbow symbol to the man, first time to Noah's, that he will not destroy the earth, the world with water or the flood like that, but he will destroy the world with fire and brimstones. Just what happened in Sodom and Gomorrah. God destroyed the town, the cities, with fire and brimstone. Unfortunately, many people, especially from LGBT community, they mocking God. Their symbol is just like this, the rainbows. Okay, the rainbows, because just want to mock God. God not pleased with that, but God give to the man the rainbow symbols. Is about he will not destroy the world with water anymore. Next time with fire and brimstones. People need pay attention, okay?